You think you have time. You think tomorrow will be different. You think one more day of scrolling, one more week of comfort, one more month of waiting won't matter. But here's the truth. Your life is disappearing right in front of you, and you're the one letting it happen. Look at your screen time. Look at how many hours you lost this week to nothing. Not learning, not building, not growing, just consuming, just numbing yourself. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That feeling when the day ends and you realize you did nothing that mattered. You had plans, you had goals, but you chose comfort instead. And now you're wondering why your life feels empty. Stop lying to yourself. You're not tired. Well, you're not busy. You're scared. Scared of failing. Scared of being uncomfortable. Scared of finding out you're not as talented as you thought. So you hide. You scroll. You watch other people live the life you claim you want. And every single day, the gap between who you are and who you could be gets wider. But here's what nobody tells you. Wasting your life isn't one big decision. It's 1,000 small ones. Every time you hit snooze, every time you choose the easy path, every time you say tomorrow instead of now. Those moments don't feel important, but they are, because your life isn't made of years. It's made of days, and if you waste your days, you waste your life. You want to stop wasting your life? Then stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It's never coming. The only thing that's coming is more time passing while you sit there doing nothing. You have to move. Right now, not when you feel like it, not when it's convenient. Now, start small. 1 hour of focused work, one workout, one conversation that matters. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to prove to yourself that you can do hard things, that you can choose discomfort over comfort, that you can show up even when you don't feel like it. Because that's where change happens. Not in the big moments, in the small ones, in the daily decision to stop wasting time and start building something real. Your future self is watching you right now, and they're begging you to stop throwing away days like they don't matter, because they do, every single one of them. You can't get them back. You can't rewind. All you can do is decide right now that today is the day it changes. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Stop wasting your life. Start living it.